everyone, we are from Group 5. Now we want to presentation about folk song. The title is Blackbird from the Beatles.
The song Blackbird is one of the classic songs created by Paul McCartney of the Beatles. This song appeared on the album The Beatles, better known as the White Album, which was released in 1968. Blackbird became one of the most acclaimed songs from the Beatles catalog and is still a favorite of many to this day. The song illustrated McCartney's abilities as a creative songwriter and also underlines the important role of the Beatles in the history of pop and folk music. Next.
The song Blackbird by the Beatles is an example of irony, even though the melody and lyrics seem simple. There is a deeper meaning behind them. The lyric create a picture of freedom and opportunity amidst darkness, inviting listeners to rise above limitation. The main irony in this song is how a blackbird is invited to learn to fly, when in reality, blackbird cannot actually fly like the other birds. In the context of this song, blackbird may describe someone who feels trapped or inhibited, and the lyric become a symbol of hope to overcome obstacles and achieve freedom.
Thus, the irony in Blackbird lies in its use of powerful symbolism to convey a message of strength and the ability to overcome adversity, even though circumstances may initially seem impossible. The Beatles song Blackbird is a beautiful example of a poetic folk song that employs various literary devices to convey its message and emotion. Here's an analysis of some of these literary devices. There are metaphor, imagery, symbolism, repetition, alliteration, parallelism, simple language, and context. Thank you.
1. Metaphor. We can see on first one the central metaphor in the song is the blackbird itself. The blackbird represents a person who is facing challenge or feeling trapped. The idea of broken wings and learning to fly metaphorically suggests overcoming obstacles and finding freedom. And 2. Imagery. The song uses vivid imagery to create a strong emotional impact. Lines on verse 2 like blackbirds singing in the dead of night paint a clear mental picture of a blackbird singing in the darkness. We can be seen a symbol of hope in difficult times.
Hi, and my name is Indah. Symbolism beyond the blackbird, other symbols are present, such as light and dark. On the first tree, light often symbolizes hope, while darkness can represent hardship or uncertainty. The song plays with these symbols to convey its message. Repetition on choices. The repetition of the phrase blackbird fly reinforces the idea of breaking free and seizing opportunity. Repetition is a common for a song that adds emphasis and emotional weight to the message.
Okay everyone, for this part I will discuss alliteration on the first three. The song makes use of the alliteration, particularly in the lines "Take these broken wings" and "Blackbird singing." Alliteration adds a musical quality to the lyric and change the overall poetic epic. Okay, for this slide, parallelism. Parallelism in outro the repetition of the phrase. You are only waiting for this moment to arise, which like variation creates a sense of anticipation and resolution. This parallel structure adds rhythm and depth to the lyric.
Simple language works song often use signs, words, and example language. Blackbird employs simplicity in its lyrics, making her relatable and easily understood by a wide audience.